Hello, I'm Yvonne Barron and I'm a violin teacher at Doncaster Music Service. In today's video, I'm going to be looking at a List C piece from the Grade 2 ABRSM violin syllabus for 2020 to 2023. It's C3 in the exam pieces book and it's an arrangement of a Hungarian folk song, the title of which when translated into English is Where Did You Sleep Last Night, Little Bird? I think that this piece would be a good choice to round off your Grade 2 exam. It's composed in 2/4 time, has an F sharp in the key signature and is played at a lively tempo. The piece is in 2 halves, with the second half being very similar to the first in both pitch and rhythm, but it's played with different bowings and dynamics. There's also an extra 5 bars, but again these are similar to what's already gone before. So before we go any further, I'm going to play you the piece. So I hope you'll agree this would make for a really strong last piece in your exam. Let's have a look at it in a little bit more detail now. So we actually start playing in bar 5 because the piano has an introduction in the first 4 bars. Here we play quavers, mezzo forte and follow an ascending scale pattern. Notice though the G sharp at the end of the bar, a high second finger. So in that first bar, and then your A in the following bar should be kept nice and close to that previous second finger, that G sharp there. In our following bar that we play, we do, however, play a G natural, so you should move your second finger back to your first finger. Bar 13 is forte and is a new rhythm. Bars 15 and 16 walk up the scale from D with a rest on the last beat of bar 16. So those bars sound like this. The next 4 bars start the same, but in bar 19, the tune, the melody is different there. As opposed to which we had the first time. So do be careful that you're playing those the right way round. And then we have 4 bars rest. Make sure you count that out carefully. 1, 2, 2, 2 and so on. When we play again in bar 25, we play piano and we have exactly the same rhythm and pitch as we had at the beginning. The only major difference now, apart from the dynamic, is that we have a lot more slurred bowing, although some of the bars are exactly the same as they were in the first section. Make sure to start on a down bow after every rest. Watch out for the minim in bar 40. It was a crotchet and a crotchet rest the first time we had this in bar 20. So that leads us on to the last 5 bars. They're preceded by a 2 bar rest, so do make sure you count carefully there. These last 5 bars are marked andante sostenuto, which means moderately slow and sustained. So here we need to be playing a little bit slower. We're also marked piano. It is still, however, the same notes that we've played before in bars 19 and 20, so pitch and rhythm wise we know exactly what we're doing. Be careful of the quaver rest before the pianissimo 3 bars before the end. Start down bow here again so you get a good up bow in order to play the pizzicato D in the last beat of the bar nice and strong. I'd like to finish by playing you the piece again, this time at a slower tempo so that you can join in with me. And there we have Where Did You Sleep Last Night, Little Bird? I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and that it will help you with your learning of this piece. Thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.